Get ready to enjoy luxurious family living in award-winning design with modern, spacious conveniences. All in this beautiful, energy-smart Jago home in Blevins Farm, an exciting new community in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The Little Rock Craftsman two-story design offers over 2,900 square feet of living space, 4 large bedrooms, 2 1/2 baths, a 3-car garage, and plenty of versatility for growing families. As you enter the home's foyer, you're greeted by an open staircase and a large study with gorgeous wainscoting details that could be used as a sitting room, dining room, or office. The open family room features a direct vent gas fireplace with floor-to-ceiling shiplap front and sides, a wood mantel, and built-in AV niche. It leads directly to the well-appointed kitchen, featuring Aristocraft full-overlay 42-inch wall cabinets with crown molding, a large island, and undermount lighting. The quartz countertops offer pencil edging, an undermount single-bowl sink, and ceramic backsplash. The GE Black Slate Appliance Package includes a self-cleaning gas range with wood hood, built-in microwave, a French door refrigerator, and a dishwasher. Just off the kitchen, there's a dining area offering plenty of sunlight, and adjacent to the dining area is a 12-foot by 12-foot covered retreat, which will naturally extend family meals into an outdoor setting. The main floor owner's suite offers a private atmosphere for relaxation and comfort. It features a luxury bath with a walk-in shower, separate freestanding tub, double bowl vanity, built-in linen cabinet, and large walk-in closet. The laundry room and landing zone, as well as large pantry area, are accessed as you enter the home from the 3-car garage, and you'll find the convenience of a powder room near the front foyer. The home features 9-foot ceilings throughout the first floor, with birch-engineered hardwood floors in the main living areas, and custom wood and millwork trim throughout. On the second floor, you'll find quiet mohawk carpet in the 3 additional bedrooms, each with ample closet space. The flexible, large upstairs loft could be used as a media space, homework center, or playroom. And the second floor also offers a full bath with double bowl vanity and linen storage. The classic exterior is a combination of brick, cultured stone, and LP SmartSide siding, highlighted with decorative shake accents. A fully sodded yard, deluxe landscape package with irrigation system, and 3-car garage enhance the home's natural appeal. Backed by over 80 years of integrity, a new Jago home represents excellence and value. You can see why our quality and craftsmanship earns the highest national and regional awards. With plenty of space for family and friends, this incredible new home offers over 2,900 square feet of modern luxury living. Talk to a Jago consultant today because, best of all, with Jago, this luxury is affordable. Jago, where life happens.